Hi, good morning everyone. Welcome to the Philippines. Usually, most of the foreigners when they come to Philippines, they land in Manila. Manila is the capital of Philippines. From Manila to Siargao, it is 1,000 kilometers, which is 2 hours flight time. This is Siargao. I landed in Del Carmen Airport in Siargao. From there, I took a road trip to General Luna. General Luna, it is the most popular place to stay for the tourists. At the same time, it is the most well-developed place. I stayed in Tropical Temple Hotel. If you want to know about Tropical Temple Hotel, you can see the video in my channel. See, from here only 2 kilometers, Cloud9 surfing area. That is also one of the fantastic attraction. And there is a sunset bridge. For more details, you can see the video in my channel. This small dot, that is a Guam Island. When you go for the island hopping, this is the first place they take you. It is a very fantastic island. There is a video in my channel. And this is a secret sandbar. Nearby, there is a Daku Island. It is a very big island. And beside that, there is a Naked Island. These 4 places, part of the island hopping tour, you can do it in one day. In my first day, I went to the island hopping tour, so I visited these 4 places. You can see the video in my channel for more details. They are all awesome places. Do not miss this island hopping tour. On my second day, I took the land tour. The first place we went to, Del Carmen Port. From there, we took a boat to Suba Lagoon. The boat ride was 30 minutes. It was a very pleasant boat ride. You will love it. The Suba Lagoon place, one of the top #1 visiting place. I will recommend you all to go and visit this place when you go to Siargao. I have my video on my channel. You can see that also. After that, we went to the opposite side of Siargao. There is a place called Matapungo Rock Pool. This place is a beautiful place, one of the highlight of Siargao. Only problem is you can only access this place when it's low tide. If it is high tide, this place is not accessible because of the safety reason. I explain everything in my video. Please go there and check it out in my channel. After that, we took the road trip to Mason River. That is a third place in my land tour. That is a small river. You can take a mini boat trip. The end of the boat trip, you have a crystal clear small lagoon. You can take an Instagram shot over there for your Instagram and Facebook. After that, we visited Coconut Tree View Deck. Here, human drone mountain view is a famous video to take. The locals will help you to take the video. You should not miss that. Check it out for the more information in my video. After that, we come to General Luna. On my third day, I want to go to the north because most of the south places I checked out. In the north, I heard a lot of beautiful beaches are there. So I decided to take a road trip. So on my third day, I hired one person to drive me around to check it out the north areas. We start our trip on 8 o'clock in the morning. As usual, it is a sunny day and beautiful sceneries on the way. Along the way, we have quite some surprise. You will see in a minute. It is a beautiful day. We are riding almost like around 60 to 70 km speed. And we saw the Fiesta. We are surprised by this performance in Del Carmen. We are surprised by this event. This is bonus for me. I feel like I'm very lucky. you like this video so far, please subscribe to my channel. That would be awesome. So I stopped my vehicle to film them off. This is my first time taking any video in public on the road. Since I'm video logging, I don't care right now. You have a dancers, you have a musician, you have a drummer, a lot of young talented boys and girls are over here. The performance is very fantastic. They're really good in what they're doing. I'm really happy to pass by this area. The vibe over here very happy in the morning. Such a happy mood in the holiday. Looks like this is the final spot they come down. So this is the meeting place. Everything set up in the early morning. Open ceremony fiesta celebration. This place is very alive. Morning 8 o'clock, all the locals are ready for the fiesta ceremony, which looks good. Everybody ready for the celebration and participating in the celebration. That is very good. Lucky I'm on the way, on the right time and right places. It is a very good start. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and comment below, and subscribe to the channel would be awesome.